and I built this jewelry shop. And so they're looking in the jewelry shop. Just in case if bad guys are here, and they were here, and they're stealing from the jewelry shop. And that person has lots of stacks of money.
Which one?
And these green things are stacks of money. Gems, diamonds, rubies, light rubies, and crystals. And there's also a mask that's like $1.
Where is the mask?
This here, the mask.
Okay.
And so the thieves have guns from the jewelry shop, and if kids come and they're getting bored, they can come here, climb here, and practice zip lining. You can go like this, zip lining like the snake is. And so there's some windows here. You can open and close. And the door, let's see this. They can open it by themselves. Let me take the flashlight off. They can open it by themselves. Opening it by themselves, and they can come inside.